Hey, welcome back guys. So I'm still in Cali right now, but I will be making a tutorial on how to tie your ultraboost hypebeast light. So this is mine, how I did mine. I don't know if you liked it. I mean, if you like it, but I like it. It kind of fits my style. Sorry if these are dirty because I always wear these every day, my dailies. So yeah. So we will jump right in. Consider liking and subbing. Please. And yeah, so this is gonna be your shoe you will need. Well, of course you need an ultraboost, damn it. So I have these. They are very dirty and scuffed up, but it's okay because they still look nice. Okay, yeah. So you get these. You get your shoelace. Okay. Also, by the way, these are right. This is the right side. So yeah, the right foot. So you want to get this lace and then tuck it under, like in these little holes. And these are not meant, like, it's okay, it won't really mess up the 3 stripes. Still look nice. Get your other lace, put it under the other side. Yeah, I got it. Okay, yep, yes. Okay, pull it a little bit if you like it, like snug or not, but then you get this side. Get this side, yeah, the side you just pulled on. Put it through this hole right here. If you don't see, do that hole right there. Alright, that. Get your other side. Put that over. Get the other side. Put it through this hole. If I can. Okay, yep, we got it. We're good. We have got it. Okay, yep. Okay, so you get this side again, put it under this side now, the last one, and then yeah, just hold it there, and then get the other side again, put it under this one, then take that, and pretty much now what I want to do is just put it through this hole. If you guys don't see right here, like yeah, yes. Oh. Comment down below if this helped you. And put it through this hole. This hole. Oops. Let me get it out. There you go. And then if you want, you could like tuck it in right here. If you like it. Or not. Maybe not. I don't know. And yeah, I think I did this correctly. Comment down below if this helped you. But yeah, this is my finished product. These laces are still kind of wet, but it's alright. And remember, each side is different, so that's why it looks a little off. Like that's because that's the right shoe, this is the left shoe. If you guys don't tell, if you guys can't tell, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you a lot. Just how to make hypebeast tied style ultraboost. Yeah, and yeah, see ya. Bye.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in. Open up, OPN, OPN.
If you enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more and if it helped you. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.